When it comes to maintaining a home in Plymouth, few areas are as crucial as the roof. The local weather, marked by cold winters, rain, and occasional storms, can put significant stress on roofing materials. For homeowners, identifying and addressing common roofing problems early can prevent expensive repairs and protect the home's structure. Below are some of the most frequent roofing issues faced by Plymouth residents and what can be done to fix or prevent them. Leaks and water damage. One of the most widespread issues homeowners encounter is roof leaks. In Plymouth's damp climate, water can seep through small cracks, damaged shingles, or worn flashing around chimneys and vents. Once inside, it can cause mold growth, rotted wood, and stained ceilings. What to do? Regular inspections, especially after storms, are key. Check for dark spots or soft areas in the attic, which indicate trapped moisture. Replacing damaged shingles and resealing flashings can stop leaks before they escalate. Homeowners should also ensure gutters are clear so water drains properly away from the roof. Damaged or missing shingles. Plymouth's strong winds and heavy snowfall can dislodge or crack shingles. Over time, UV exposure from the sun can also make shingles brittle and prone to breaking. Missing or damaged shingles compromise the roof's ability to protect against moisture and debris. What to do? Inspect the roof after major weather events. If shingles are curling, blistering, or missing granules, it's time for repair or replacement. Asphalt shingles typically last 20 to 25 years, so aging roofs may require a complete re-roofing to maintain protection and energy efficiency. Poor ventilation. Roof ventilation is often overlooked but plays a critical role in regulating temperature and moisture levels in the attic. Without proper airflow, heat and humidity can build up, causing wood rot, mold, and higher energy bills. In Plymouth's humid summers and freezing winters, this imbalance can significantly shorten a roof's lifespan. What to do? Ensure vents are not blocked by insulation or debris. Ridge vents and soffit vents work together to maintain airflow throughout the attic. A professional roofer can assess whether your ventilation system meets your home's specific needs. Ice dams. During the winter months, Plymouth homeowners often face the challenge of ice dams, ridges of ice that form along the roof's edge. These occur when warm air from the attic melts snow on the roof, and the melted water refreezes at the colder eaves. Ice dams prevent proper drainage and can force water under shingles, leading to leaks and damage inside the home. What to do? To prevent ice dams, make sure your attic is well insulated and ventilated to maintain an even roof temperature. After heavy snowfalls, use a roof rake to safely remove snow from the edges. Professional ice dam removal services can also help clear buildup without harming shingles. Clogged gutters. Gutters play a vital role in directing water away from your roof and foundation. However, leaves, twigs, and debris can quickly clog them, especially during Plymouth's autumn months. When water backs up, it can seep under shingles or cause fascia boards to rot. What to do? Clean gutters at least twice a year, once in the spring and again in the fall. Installing gutter guards can help reduce buildup. During winter, ensure downspouts are clear to prevent ice from forming inside the system. Flashing failures. Flashing, thin metal strips installed around chimneys, vents, and roof valleys, prevents water from penetrating joints and seams. Over time, flashing can corrode, crack, or pull away from the surface due to weather fluctuations and general wear. What to do? Have a professional inspect flashing at least once a year. Replacing or resealing it early can prevent extensive water damage around critical roof areas. Final thoughts for Plymouth homeowners: understanding common roofing problems is the first step toward prevention and long-term protection. The combination of moisture, temperature shifts, and seasonal storms means roofs need consistent care. Routine maintenance, inspections, and timely repairs can save thousands of dollars in the long run and ensure your home remains safe, dry, and energy efficient year-round.